Welcome. If you often save email drafts in Gmail and need to quickly find drafts that contain images, this step-by-step guide is just for you. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. You'll typically find the Gmail icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to launch Gmail. Once you're in the app, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines, also called the hamburger menu. Tap this icon to open up the full menu. From the list that appears, scroll down and tap on Drafts. This folder contains all the emails you've started writing but haven't sent yet. It's your central hub for any saved messages you might want to finish later. Now, if you want to narrow down your drafts to only those that have image attachments, look just below the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap the Attachment option. This feature helps you filter out drafts that contain any type of attachment. After you tap Attachment, you'll see several attachment types to choose from. Select Images. Gmail will now show only the draft emails that have image files attached, making it much faster to locate those specific drafts. Review the filtered list to find the email draft you need. Just tap it and it will open, letting you review the content or make any necessary updates before sending. Organizing your Gmail drafts this way ensures you can always find important emails, especially those with images you may need to reference, resend, or update later. That's how simple it is to locate draft emails with images in the updated Gmail app. Stay organized and never lose track of your important drafts again.